Howdy, I'm Marilyn, and I wanted to share with you some of the Halloween treats I have been able to locate so far this Halloween season 2021. I'd like to start with Monster Mash. We were finally able to find a box of Monster Mash in my area here in Colorado. I would say around mid-September. Let's try them. Wow, I'm not getting any marshmallows. It's very fruity. Like I said, I didn't get any marshmallows in that. I'll rustle around the box here. Ooh, okay. So this marshmallow appears to be shaped like a bat. These marshmallows are good. It's very much a fruity puff cereal and just generic cereal marshmallow, but it's good. In 2021, after 50 years on the scene, the monsters reunite to mash. This box is lovely. I really love the art on it. This shape here, I'll definitely show you a close-up of this later. It kind of looks like a shark's tooth, so beware of the shark's tooth in the Monster Mash cereal. Alright, for our next treat of the Halloween 2021 season so far, I found these adorable Mother's Circus Animal cookies in spooky Halloween shapes. It does say limited batch on it. It comes in a resealable bag. I showed this off on Twitter a little bit earlier in the season, but these shapes are so cute. We have a arching your back, ready to hiss cat. We have just a chillin' on the fence watching the moon cat. And we have a spooky vampire bat who's gonna fly into your window and turn into an attractive man. That may not be accurate for what the vampire will do. Your results may vary. But they taste just like regular circus animal cookies. Got a vampire bat there, he's pretty cool. These are so good. Made so much better by the fact that they're frosted in orange and white and have the black and orange edible confetti on them. And this bag, even Mother's up here wearing a witch hat, so cute. Wash it all down with Voodoo III. We have been lucky enough to find all three flavors, or all three editions so far. Every year it's a mystery flavor. I don't remember what the last couple of years were. I have tried this one when we first found it and then left this just one in the fridge for this video. It smells good. For the first one, I'm pretty sure I thought it tasted just like shoving all of the Halloween candy at once into your mouth. Last year, I distinctly remember saying that it was some sort of grape, like a grape cream soda. This year, I also think it has a very grape-forward flavor. I've seen a lot of people online say completely other things, so I think my tongue just sways to grape. This tastes almost exactly like the grape Hubba Bubba. I'm also getting some like Yikes Stripes fruit stripe gum vibes. There's an afterburn of pineapple, but right off the bat, cheap lumps of hard grape gum that you chew, they become very soft, and then they lose their flavor after like 5 seconds. The grape lose your flavor after 5 seconds gum is my guess for 2021's Voodoo III. I've been wrong every year so far. Next, I found Cookie Pop. Cookie Pop Popcorn Oreo, made with real Oreo cookie pieces. This is probably not actually a Halloween product, but it's got a kitty cat, some jack-o'-lanterns, a spooky tree, and a ghost. So I figured it's obviously being marketed to people like me. Great time to try it. This is my first time opening it, and that original whiff hit me in the face so strong of just bagged popcorn. Oh, it's beautiful. The Oreo pieces or cookie crumbles are very obvious on there. So now that I've had this popcorn open for a second, it smells like Oreos. Salty, buttery, caramely popcorn and Oreos, like in a bag mixed together. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys a close-up of this. There's a huge cookie chunk in this one. Okay. My hat's gonna pop off. I'm so excited. Y'all, these are delicious. Okay. So I personally am a huge fan of salty sweet snacks. I love like a chocolate covered pretzel or ice cream that has a little bit of a salty nut in it, you know, stuff like that. This is super deliciously salty sweet, but it's also very Oreo forward. Oreos are one of my favorite snack cookies. They have been as long as I can remember. My grandmother, hi Nan, Nan eats ice cream almost every night during the summer, and I remember fondly Oreo cookies, 2 of them, stuck into the side of my bowl of ice cream. This is bringing me back to those summers. The summer I saw the Power Rangers movie and got actually sick on theater popcorn and still got to go back to Nan's house and eat a bowl of vanilla ice cream with 2 Oreos stuck in the side. I hope Snacksational Brands decides to continue with this, because this is so good and I would be very sad to see it go away. If it came back seasonally, I'd be okay with that. It seems like a delicious autumn treat. But if it goes away and never comes back, my heart will be broken. I cannot believe how good this is. Go find it if you like Oreos and you like popcorn. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna eat one more. No, 2 more. I have to stop eating these. Try the next thing. Jojos. I've heard a lot of great things about Jojos. Better than Oreos, supposedly. I had to buy this because this box is so charming. The little faces on the cookies are very charming. I did try one of these earlier and was not impressed. All right, here we go. The Jack faces, the little jack-o'-lantern faces on these are so adorable. No. excuse me. I need to wash that flavor out. Jojos taste like wheat bread. They don't taste like chocolate. They certainly don't taste like Oreos. These Halloween Jojos specifically, I'll have to try some of the winter ones. I'll have to try some of the regular ones, maybe. But they're, I guess, supposed to be more healthy. I don't know. It tastes like wheat bread with sugar in it. It's not good. Do you like Jojos? Please let me know in the comments below. Are you a fan of the Trader Joe's Oreo competitor, Jojos? Because I am not. Thanks for hanging out with me while I tried Monster Mash cereal. Have you had a chance to get your hands on this? Mother's Circus Animal Frosted Cookies Halloween Edition. Mountain Dew Voodoo 2021 Edition, Voodoo III. Every time I've tasted them, I've thought they've tasted nothing like what they actually supposedly taste like. But this year, my guess is cheap, lose your flavor in 5 seconds bubblegum, grape. The clear winner of this snack off, not a competition, I just made it one for some reason, is Cookie Pop Popcorn Oreo, made with real Oreo cookie pieces. And let me tell you, you can taste it. The loser of tonight, especially after having such a Oreo forward snack, is the Trader Joe's Halloween Jojo cookies. These are gross. They taste like a sweet wheat bread. They don't taste like chocolate. They don't taste like cookie frosting filling. The jack-o'-lantern faces on the cookies are cute, so unfortunately that's not a selling point for me. Thank you for hanging out with me while I tasted several snacks. Have you tried any of these? What do you think this year's Mountain Dew Voodoo tastes like? I would love to know. Caramel? Caramel. How do you say it? And what do you think about Jojos? Bye!